Sports card unboxing number 64, I think. This looks like a score. Juju Smith-Schuster, who 2017 Panini score. Juju Smith-Schuster, I guess that's a rookie year. Ozzie Albies, Bowen's Best rookie card. I guess that's a 2018. Yep. Bowen's Best, Ozzie Albies rookie. A little baseball, a little football. Odell Beckham, great color, great picture, great card. It's a 2014 Upper Deck, so that's a rookie. Star rookies. Good card. And I know what this is. It's a lot of 2019. It's Topps Heritage Minors. Julio Rodriguez. A bunch of these. So I'll be reselling probably 8 of them on eBay. Slade 115. Check it out. Maybe like $8 or $9 free shipping. Peace.